Hey guys, Jess Starr here with Starr Realty Group at Keller Williams Realty, standing inside our wonderful new listing. This one is 77 Old Meadow Plain Road in Simsbury, Connecticut. It is a lovely, spacious, split style home. This is really wonderful, so you're not going to want to miss it. It's hitting the market in just a few days. 3 bedrooms. It's got 2.5 baths. The master has an ensuite bath. Hardwood floors upstairs and down, a massive eat-in kitchen, which is great. They've had an addition added on to this house that actually extended the kitchen out. So this split level home is located in Latimer Lane Elementary School District and is bigger than most of the splits because of the addition to the kitchen. What's so great about this house, it's got a massive dining room, which you don't usually have, and eat-in kitchen. It's got stainless fridge, a stainless Bosch dishwasher, island space, and it's got this great partially finished lower level that's just been freshly repainted along with brand new carpet down there. It has an additional 4th room that could be a bedroom, it could be an office, you name it, it's right there, and laundry in that area as well. It's gas heat, central air, and they even have public utilities. So close to everything, Route 44 shopping, close to restaurants, and tons of stuff to do, hiking trails, and Talcott Mountain, which is really great, and just minutes to Latimer Lane Elementary School. This one is priced to sell. These sellers say sell. Give us a call at 860-325-2484 or visit us on our website at starrealtygroup.com. We look forward to helping you make your dreams come true too. Make it a great day.